Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on JustMarkets. And JustMarkets is using the MetaTrader 5 and we are using now the WebTrader. So we will do this in the WebTrader. So what we're going to do, first of all, we have the chart right here and you can choose what to buy with the symbol section right here. And then fill in Bitcoin USD, for example. We are doing that. And then after this, we need to place a order. So we click on new order. And then from here, we can select if you want to do a buy limit or buy stop limit. Everything what you want, you can select it right there. But we want to do a immediately position. So select here the volume that you want to use. Then after that, we can set a stop loss if you want to, that we can drag to somewhere that we wanted. If you want to do a take profit, we can click on the plus and select right here when it will hit 97k. Then he will take the profit. So decide what you want to do. And then after that, you can click here on buy market. And now we immediately have an open position right there for Bitcoin. So what we're going to do now is exactly the same, new order, but now we want to sell. So we select here the volume that we want to use. Then we can click here on stop loss or take profit. And then after that, we click here on sell by market. And also right here, we have now a position on the sell. So this is how you can open your position or how you can buy and sell on JustMarkets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.